Okay, so this is Aftermath. I think they look so good. I love this yellow. This is before. This is what it looks like putting them on. You guys know. Do you see the difference? I even did my toes. This is instant dry. It's like $4, but it does dry extremely fast. I will admit that. But my nails and toes look great. I just got some regular kiss glue here. Some dollar store nail polish remover. And then these are the nails I use. But I will say that my nails are not the same sizes. I had to file them and like clip them to make them the same size. So yeah, I also got this at the dollar store. Just a little go up. So 411, that's $3, $4, so $8 glow up. And I like, gives me banana vibes. Wow, I messed that one up. I will redo that. But yeah, totally cute.